Hey guys, it's a blizzard right now. It's a blizzard right now. I realized. Look at all this snow. I can tell this is absolutely a blizzard. It's really getting bad. Ugh, I'm getting cold in here. Snow's getting all over me. It's really coming down big time.
Wow, look at a little bit of snow.
I know.
For real.
Yeah, I just decided I wanted to show it to you guys. Because this is getting insane. And I can't believe it, we're actually getting a blizzard right now. This is a blizzard. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.